Hello guys, my name is Atul Devkar and today our topic is access modifier in Java. So there are two type of access modifiers in Java. First is access modifier and second is non-access modifier. The access modifier in Java specifies the accessibility or a scope of the field, method or constructor or a class. So we can change the access level of the field, constructor, method and the class by applying the access modifier on it. So there are four type of Java access modifiers. Uh, so first is a private. So the access level of a private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. And second is a default. The access level of the default modifier is only the within the package. It cannot be accessed outside the package. So you do not specify any access level from it. It will be the default. And next is a protected. The access level of protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through the child class. If you do not make a child class, you cannot access from the outside the package. And fourth is a public. The access level of a public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from the within the class, outside the class, within the package, and outside the package. There are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient, etc. So take one example of a private access modifier. The private access modifier is accessible only within the class. So simple example of private access modifier. We are taking one class is A, and simply the class contains the private data member and a private method. So we are accessing this private member from outside the class, so there is a compile time error. If we create one class A and private int data is equal to 40, we taking one integer, and if we try to print hello Java, so it will show you our one via error. The next public class void main string x, and we are creating new object in the class A. Object is equal to new A, and then we sys out object dot data. So there we got the one compile time error. Role of a private constructor. If you make any class constructor private, so you cannot create the instance of that class from the outside the class. For example, we taking one class private A and constructor word message sysout hello.java. So simply the class simple and a public static void main string array x, and creating one object. A object is equal to new A object. So we got a one compile time error. So thank you.